the first time I've seen a rainbow from my studio window. Beautiful music.
Jimba, Jimba, Jimba.
You want me to sing that song? Okay. Right now. Oh, nice. It's the same picture from the other day. Painted that one already. Except I love the puddles on the side. So I'm working from this scene right here. What I really like about it is the tree, the clouds, and the street. And all the other details, I'm gonna make them rather blurry, but I'm gonna focus on the big picture and the big composition. And maybe I'll put this big ponderosa pine tree in the foreground as well. We'll see. I have sketched it out here with a pencil. That's what I have so far. So I'll start painting soon. Oh, Matt. We had to rush home and I got some crud on here. Gonna try to get it off. See if we can save this picture.